Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a mod map on SnowRunner. First, you'll want to open the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, look for the mod browser option, usually found near the new game or continue selections. This built-in feature makes finding and installing community-created content incredibly straightforward. We'll cover the steps to activate your chosen map and start exploring new challenges in just a moment. Once you're in the mod browser, you'll see a wide array of community-created content. Use the filters to find maps specifically. When you find a map that looks interesting, simply click on it and then select the subscribe button. The game will automatically download and install the mod for you. Depending on your internet speed and the mod size, this process might take a few moments, perhaps up to 1 or 2 minutes for larger files. With your mod map downloaded, head back to the main menu. Now, when you start a new game or load an existing save, you'll find an option to select a mod map instead of a standard region. Click on this, and your subscribed map should appear in the list. Simply select it, and you're ready to dive into a fresh, challenging environment. Remember, some mod maps might require specific trucks or playstyles. Sometimes, a mod might not work perfectly. If you encounter issues, first check the mod's description page for any special instructions or known conflicts. A common fix is to simply unsubscribe from the mod and then subscribe again, which often resolves minor glitches. Also, keeping your SnowRunner game updated to its latest version is crucial, as developers frequently improve mod support and stability. Enjoy your new adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.